Hello guys, hope you are fine. So today the topic is how to start Shopify, how to start drop shipping with AliExpress. You can easily start Shopify from your home. You just have to make a store, online store, and take the products from AliExpress and ship to the customers. It's very simple. First of all, you go to App Store and download Shopify app. This is your step number one. Let it download, and now you can go to Google, search Shopify. Okay, so beautiful customizable themes, Shopify free trial. Shopify is giving 14 days free trial. You can start with 14 days. ये आपके 14 दिन ट्रायल चलेगा. It's very good basically. So start free trial. You can put your email address. I will put random email address. Okay, you will put real email address, and now click on start free trial, and then you will set your password. Okay, create your store, click on it. So basically my email name is will be the my store name. Okay, so now select, are you already selling? I am just playing around. Okay, so in addition to your Shopify store, where else would you like to sell online? In Google, Facebook, Instagram. Okay, what is your current revenue? Current revenue you can select for 5,000 to 50,000 per year. In which industry you will operate in? जो चीज़ आप सेल करना चाहते हैं, क्लॉथ्स करना चाहते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में काम, ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स, हैंडक्राफ्ट्स, पेंटिंग, फोटोग्राफी, a lot of products. Okay, clothing, let's assume. Then next. Okay, so you will write your name, like first name. Okay, and then last name. Put your address, city. You, it's up to you whether you put your phone number or not. Okay, enter my store. Wait. Yeah, phone number. Okay, enter my store. Okay, so this is episode number one. So wait for the next video. So from where we will start it. Okay, hope you like it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.